Thank you, this is Secretary. Matoza zungrang ba ning seki khatu sana chana zungrang ba ma bono no.
Hymn number 158.
Pastoral ministry is a very challenging task. He has to gather, nurture two kinds of sheep. One is white sheep, the other one is black sheep. So that is the challenge, the difference between the academic exercises and the grooming of the students and the nurturing of the souls. Thank you, Dr. Wati and your team for giving us the best faculty member to our church. In fact, we will not forget your generosity. As I said, I'm repeating. Today you are giving us just one person, but tomorrow the college will be flooded with our Sandham students. So whenever they come for the seeking admission in the college, you should not turn them down, even a single person. So let us be very relational to each other. Thank you so much, and coming all the way from different places, especially the leaders of the different institutions, the colleges or the churches, those who have come here to give a moral support, spirit support to Dr. Alam and his family. I can see many prominent faces in the church today. This signifies and indicates that you have a very big heart and you are supporting spiritually and morally to Alam and his family. Alam ba ko kukhira ko tsudu chingidi Little Dilana Katoyrogo, Sarabana, Katang, Mawajang, Sarambara, Amwano, Nerkuchi, Go Ner Tikibala, Lisong pa Takidanang, he lile. Saramba Yukadu, Akika Chandangere, go he's a very devotionally. I just want to share a very devotional message, not the academic exercises. Though he comes from a reputed academic place, today, I want to share another very devotional and very soulful message to the people who are here in the church. Mati Tare Are Yarelana Yerebanya. Gospel Matthew chapter 10, verses 40 to 42. Gospel Matthew chapter 10, verses 40 to 42. Saramba Yuhidalile. Sananara Kachoro Abina E Kachore. Kosana I kachoro abina isanambaticho abi kachore. Sana tsunramba kachoro river tachonang abinang river kadu chia ngunung. Sana amasara kachoro amasara tachonang abinang amasara chia katungunung. Ajaje inandarate yore sana hiri imono yola azi kyaba kadu kyang imono tachonang kirashio tu satinang chia nguriri. He Tsaramba yu lile, Tsarabana, Tsaramba yu Kirako Yuchira upon Moaja. Chamachoyo Yukatuda lile. Traditional proverbs. Chamachoyo Yukatu lile. Trezaba Lazatu Itzo, Nana Azirde. Alam Jingizarade Mokonkala. Lemlong Alam Jingunu. Ranta Sere Yola Mokonkalang, Ranta Z. Kataba shuhonung, kata kyanung, kata jamnung, hiriyabam rantazi ngure. Business nizarula mukung kalang kutilang kata yanung, hataba ra. Business shisa pali ra, ngunung. Atsung ra, tsaraba tikira. Tsaraba matera, nizarula mukung kalang, na tsaraba anda chiyangunung. Charamara choyo yu sahida lile. na tomato shira akagari yola mo kong kala nabuzimi tomato shira akagari kampi ko hatsa isa chema choyo yu tsa araki ma yu cheba lile chen yelang zengra ba na isa kyang jaba yu tsa zakatu lile afara yola mo kong kala farazi afara di yola mo kong kala paravasa kata fanu paravasa kata rong kyanong hatsa nana ni chonung pa yo lile da Bible la chengye hila jaba za isa de yo ba khadu za sana na za azikira achonra atora amathera chakla sana na khachoro hachaba akanya chiye zana na arte thala to thap yode arana hachaba za ni chono ko amwano chano azikira yo yolam ko kola azikira jiyengunu achonra yolam ko kola achonra jiyengunu Aziri yolam mo kong kalang aziralam nungunung pa matila hidata asoba isana ngure. You say that John Tremaya. You say that John Tremaya ara terengela. Whoever believes in me will perform bigger. Any person who believes in me, that person will perform bigger. Sana isha yuziro. Sanecha longlongaro abina ate ina kadungu chegala abina thareshina ala nguchino ko amwanu ngunu atazaka duida yore anya uba yangsara anya ara thare tagu anya uba 2 Kings chapter 2 verses 19 hatsala ngizara anya aningunu 2 Kings chapter 2 verses 19 in which we will see two prominent figures. Two prominent prophets. One was Elisha, the other one was Elijah, the other one was Elisha. Elijah was a great prophet. The person who conveys the prophetic message does, says the Lord. Apatumban hita yoreba yoba prominent Azikira Elijah katusasyo. And Elisha was just his petting or his peg bearer. Yangu hira, shipa hira Elisha katu licho. Hatsego ade Bible la yang tsara. Anya uba yang tsara anya ara thare tugula tingkala. Anya uba yang tsara anya ara thare tugula za isana katu Bible exegesis mata a kind of Sunday school listen ro katu hida yonya rabai. Elisha Anya menuba abiza azikya kulira. Elijah abiza anya menuba azikira amala. Elijah kante Elisha na api asomba za katan diligently, honestly, dedicatedly, humbly. Abi asomba abi aziba za digisho. Hiba Elijah kyanza. Hatsego biong muanungza abishakaronung suro katu matosho. Pekya katu rocho. Elijah za nilang tsura ba na malagi nagi sino ba niya mong chicho. Hatsego Elijah de ito. Uwa natin na sino itsiko iyang taro. Iyola taro rabay. Yang katu lang na rabay. Kilka lang rabay. Kilka la zan nagi sino bay. Danye Elijah za uway na namabay janong. Chere kolang warabai, chere kolang sa waino na mapija nung rabai. Ina na jimari nung rabai. Asang piu ba achang gao ba sa zira bar your time. Cause time was matured to take away Elijah. Elijah sa zira bar yang lina hizi nung ba abi bekya zira bar yo bekya chicho. Hazana Jordan lang angyan natawacho. Jordan the yongki amalaka to lili atimi Jordan sara holy land torwo arena mateno. Hiba Jordan is biblically Bible as lura. The boundary between the dead and the living being Jordan River. Bible yoba. Hatse go dina Elijah and Elisha Jordan yongki the page ba akawlan sino go akawlan sana tsara ban abin malagi na sino. Hatse go za malagi no sino ne ba Jordan yongki la za tu no kancho. Ko Elisha de ito hiba yung kikitaro na awa hila na sino Jordan yung kiza aso chai ilam za du thing ma bala hazaba Jordan yung kila za Elijah na takira na cho ko kitsa chung sa nya kar bai kitsa za ra bai Hazego atla zadu de Elisha na so uaina na mabejano ine uladronu. Asan mazadashin na mabejano. Iza turuba Jordan yung kilay. Hidade azikiri di arat tanyaoshi. A kind of guilt, a band of a guild of prophets. Ahi Bible azikiri di za amalong licho. Hazego zaba amalong zana arat tanyazana Elijah kan Elisha ngi tu sana ba tin chi ayarbai. Hazego zaba yongki ki zaso baza azikiri arat tanyana sama teleko. Hazazaba 지대서 엘라샤는 매매 그다음에 로노바 이거도죠 고 뭐좀 그도 라야노 디기죠 우아이는 넘어 베잖아요 뭐 요데 안겨나 안겨 쳐다봐서 엘라샤는 엘라자 우와 내 지대 이칸데 요 지야잖아 아도서 내 요모 하는 켜죠 give me your blessings 내 요모 하는 거 켜죠 아무 하는 뭐 집어 뭐지노 such was the commitment of Elisha 우와 My Lord, give me at least a portion of your blessings as you go to the Lord. Abdum bayang vade neyo amwanungza ikang alang katudusachana. So such was a commitment, the dedication to serve his master. Hazego haze kyalona Elishana. Hazengi yaba choyenanya chodaye de nilang malaki izibisho michangkuri karila. Hazego Elisha aya uwa Israel tsara itabiche Elisha na biu kamsha abiu shikini sing abi shakadu zunchi tsacha chabaza abi nungu chogo abi na haza chorojo ikyan na kyan tase ina na kyan tase chere zi chere yu sujere go meyo tangi abiu just a piece of cloth shetsi kadu tsacha chogo haza Elisha na chowa rang hirocho cha hirocho Hazala Sanrampara Z Elijah yo tase re apam Sanrampara amwan zis lasecho. Chanirdi. The more diligently we serve our master, the more dedicatedly serving our master, you will get a benefit, blessings. Sanrampara yo achincho amwanunza ngunue baza hazakuna isana matere. Zinguko ba sign to some amado tanye tali Elijah the chibigo da Elisha na iba shatzi the bibo you Elisha zurang pa ko tupa ko isa bisha yutsire kon hiba shatne hibo Jordan yung gila habde kizacho azi girdi ara thanyau na chashati mamde aya yujiba Elijah zi Elisha shakaduko ba mayurna proof sajo azi gira thanyana proof sajo ba hiba Bible isana ngure zurba kyang katoi kagujo digiro lander katoi de ala kagujo jodaro zurba amwanungza isana hazada kechore zurba digiba azibara digiba isa chama yusala respecting the elders respecting the intellectuals lander di hiri kangching jade ariyo akanyang ko amwanungza isa azabarcha korono ko isa tigiricha korono ba Bible la isa na ngure anyuba go achangkau ba nerde hi chechongye baza 2 Kings chapter 2 verses 21 through or the entire chapter of the 2 Kings chapter 5 if we read the particular chapter, we will see again two prominent figures, Elisha and Gehazi. Aku diza Elijah ko Elisha. Zerba kakucho digisho, aziba kakucho digisho, jirenjo digisho za abiu the entire portion of his blessings was bestowed over Elisha. Hila de isana anyuba yang sara mangaza ya apam tinde naman kyang choyo isana ngure hazaba chapter apam in makire nerna za yukiza matejong pego hazego hila naman hiza yuki kadu a Syrian commander. He was inflicted with the incurable skin disease, so to say a kind of leprosy, worse than leprosy. In the open air, while dressing his dress, gliding with his uniform, he was so much respected. He being was a very handsome army officer, respects Harabai, Jerabai. But while inside the house, entire parts of his body was inflicted with leprosy. Scratching even the nails. Maziyabamina matramna afabumla hiba tsukhanrasana sanda masana rabai. Israel ko Syria they were enemies. Arodati. Tanyesa naman hikula Israel lara lazalara kang thare anyapogi azar khatulisho. Hiba lazala dozana kulila hiba naman nitoyo minizana. Apatung baca Israel vasong ko azikire lile ko hasla wa akyam bangunoe ko maticho convince acho maticho wakomato kuri karidi katudi lana chiyadi ange menu ba hiba taribi hajar sare hon hajar tharo sha chau ba tharebi maliba ange menu mara taribi hajar sare hon hajar tharo abam tharowa keji tharowa tuna isang yonomo ko tangi pieces of gold and silver and the best linen clothes here is a hiba azikira Elisha kyan chanong ba namana abi monoyola nabo vachomad namana vote aya Elisha na khayora namasa khayora khayo aya kyan chanong ko thaba chanong matam ba army officer ka zai he needed a respect abin a respect king is sata shomad tangi Elisha na matego Israel tsurang katulile ba yuzi tsam in order to testify that there is a living God, the God of Israel, who can heal from all the afflicted diseases. Nothing is incurable in the sight of God. Tsurang ba jine makyang che ba tusmale. Hatse ko tse kyang chano ba se Elisha na matele tan naman la hi abinang tapasong yecho. Tangi Elisha na kuyong la ba Namandeza Jordan Yukilaza Tanyebi Changdang 7 times to plunge 7 times in the Jordan River. Namanazi Choroshomado Ya Iralila Yunkia Tauba, Ama Sauba Mamalirma, Islam Mamasasho Mizanuita, Amono Diza Yajin Dinner, Abadumba, Adira. Azeki woman to your Nanguching, Koyojo, Ayochong each other, Wobo, Ake, Anya, Asambaya, Manga Taro, Tangi 7th. Charodela, I prefer recountation. You change a sign of obedience, a sign of dedication, a sign of faithfulness. Has a hilakatu mure. Yuzi baza is Elisha na Israel tsunranza apam dena atiubago agyangchirai testify sanoba hazabaza chachoba mure. Azikala yukya yore ko hazakyamba kante namana Elisha de ha tarbi hajar sare hon hajar tharo shatangi atharebi malino ba aban kya chiye hin kya hiroja akanya chona jaraba ta Elisha na this is not a time to accept your gifts hiba be kya ne yo chiye kyanong ba ma I chiye kyanong ne na kya ja choba ma Zhengrangba, Israel Zhengrang, the Kyang Cheba, Yuzi Tano. Kyang Konya Makamado, Hatego with very heavy heart. Naaman returned home, returning back all his precious stones, which was to be gifted to Elisha. Then you make a chomado, has a hibatali zirba, Kyango Kanyarubai, then Chiyazamakia, to know Elisha Yogo, Chiyang Gushibama, Danye he Adere. Israel Zurang Lile Bo Yuzi Tanung Nidang the day he Yuzi Jerbai testified Sarbai. To Sasho Suo Wobo Ramo Wobo Kande Kihazi Abio Kulibong Aya Abadomana Taribi Hajar Sari Hon Hajar Taro Shatarebi Malinui Makabako Shashanova. Hida Gagarang, Hida Atores Harang, Ili Canoe. Hatsego Gehazi was Elisha's servant. Jealousy, hatred, egoistic attitude. Gehazi Narang, Bobashamba, hi, Yalion de Naman, ha? Do not Sami Choma, do not Muchimi Choma. Tuna iron zera wonder zera makayan which show mama atia chiri kulana nizara kararoko ira aziba yang hatsego at the imitate sata jingi was sakara janumba abutuma ne chinli leba araki he had to tell a lie in order to gain some of the substances was sakara gain chanu nida gehazina araki chocho one mago tingcho araki chocho and he wanted to possess the precious things. He just run after Navan and ask some portion of the gifts. Aya ha hisaha aya hiseha cherobai piba cheroba Gehazina he robo anala rang yubucho run yubu khande tu sacho Elisha no mamateno madam abiza la kisana ma he pretended Gehazi Konla wade Elisha na zungtero Gehazi nakde wacho naklam wacho abudongba achongba ikde mawa nakde wacho ide yong ikde mawa cho bar wasaza hero ba ra yo bar ba ma do ma ra de la bamblon yo ba de la adela kade mawa araki chorbai hida de Elisha na tuyo cho najazala chodaya de inbasala maya chomao Gehazi Hatsego naman chakeba acha masara zukonra abam nanido natura nakulira narishamzura ko makola zir even to your descendants you'll be inflicted with the same curse same labors which the ruler of Syria Naaman had. Naaman was definitely cured. Dear friends, generally, Zeraba long long chitigeno, Uja chotigeno, Magab digeno, Zeraba Ganyanunsa digeno, Changyashala prophetic ministry, Pamli. The greatest challenge today is a prophetic ministry. We cannot say white to the white, plague to the plague. We used to say white to plague, plague to white. We hardly pronounce, thus says the Lord. Abnormally, Hida Yoruba, you say, you know, Katan Sache, go Tsare. Changishala Hazabaza, even the prophet Isaiah was struggling with that very particular word, thus says the Lord. Because he was a conformist in the beginning. He was living with the unclean lips people, untruthful people, unfaithful people. But the moment he saw the palace of God, the moment God burned off the sins, he was forgiven and he could see the wider spectrum, wider perspective, the wider vision of God. Changyashangla Sarambati is full of challenges. As a pastor, today you are here with the highest post holder, high profile people. Tomorrow you are sitting with an inflicted leprous persons. That is a challenge of a pastoral ministry. Hatsego chenge Sarambati Gino families amalai. Is aban makab na Sarambati Gino, Saraban Moaja.